Good day everyone! Today's video is all about some types of quantitative methods that are frequently used by researchers in order to reveal patterns that help us predict and control behavior. Think about polls that provide feedback for medical doctors. While people do not all think the same, this type of research provides patterns of thoughts to doctors who can use this information to make better treatment decisions. Of course, this should impact our lives. Now, let's look at a few of the more frequently used quantitative methods. We have here experimental research is the most well-established quantitative methodology in both the physical and social sciences. This approach uses the principles of research in the physical sciences to conduct experiments that explore human behavior. Researchers choose whether they will conduct their experiments in lab settings or real-world settings. Experimental research generally includes a control group. The groups are then carefully monitored to see if they enact different reactions to different variables. So that is what we call as experimental research. Next is we have survey research. It is used to ask people a number of questions about particular topics. Surveys can be online, mailed, handed out, or conducted in interview format. After researchers have collected survey data, they present participants' responses in numerical form using tables, graphs, charts, and/or percentages. Next is we have content analysis type of quantitative methods. Content analysis, researchers use content analysis to count the number of occurrences of their particular focus of inquiry. We can appreciate content analysis by those communication researchers that conduct content analysis of movies, commercials, television shows, magazines, and etc. Content analysis is extremely effective for demonstrating patterns and trends in various communication contexts. And lastly, we have meta-analysis. Do you ever get frustrated when you hear about one research project that says a particular food is good for your health, and then sometime later you hear about another research project that says the opposite? Meta-analysis analyzes existing statistics found in a collection of quantitative research to demonstrate patterns in a particular line of research over time. Meta-analysis is research that seeks to combine the results of a series of past studies to see if their results are similar or to determine if they show us any new information when they are looked at in totality. Most meta-analysis is conducted in the medical world. The reason people do meta-analysis is that research from several studies with conflicting results can be combined to make decisions about the effectiveness of a medication of a person's risk for developing a disease that is more informed than using a magic 8-ball. So in conclusion, everyone, these type of quantitative methods helps obtain and summarize findings from a vast sources of population. These methods usually involve a lot of mathematics, computer interactions to create models and simulations just to quantify and explain the patterns and behaviors of the variables being observed. Everyone, thank you very much for watching this video and see you next week.